Hi, everyone. I do not believe in defunding the police. This is Christina Williams with Just Criminal Law.
And this is David Mann, legal storytelling specialist. Well, all right, so that's really an interesting statement. You are a criminal defense lawyer, often on the opposite side from the police, so it seems like defunding the police would be consistent with your beliefs, but you're saying it isn't.
No, I believe law enforcement, they provide an invaluable service. They are worth funding. They're very important to our community, to our society. And I think, there's no better feeling than knowing you can pick up the phone and dial 911 and someone will be there to help you.
Right. I think, a lot of the same things there, that at all levels, from the local police officer all the way up to the FBI, that there's a level of security that we get just knowing that they're there. So you're saying that you believe in that as well.
Right. The taxpayers really do get a valuable service, and in return, law enforcement gets funding, they get training, they get the manpower to do their job and do their job correctly so that we all can live in a safer community.
So even though you end up on the opposite side in a dispute, when you're representing a defendant in a crime, often the other side is, that the police maybe didn't do something right. So you might be at odds with them in that particular dispute, but you're not at odds with the idea of police.
No, there's an expectation that, with all the power comes responsibility. With all of the taxpayer support, we should get excellence, really, when it comes to investigations and the charging decisions when somebody is arrested. And, it's really important that that front end is done completely and correctly. So on the back end, citizens get a fair result, both the alleged victims and the accused.
Mm-hmm. So you are here to say you believe in the police and expect them to do their job properly. And that's often what is under examination in the cases that you are representing.
Correct. It's, there's nothing worse than somebody being falsely accused or falsely convicted of a crime that they didn't commit.
Mm-hmm. So if someone finds that they are on the receiving end here of an arrest, of a conviction, potentially, they may need someone like you to go and examine the details and see if the police actually did their job correctly. So how would they get in touch with you?
We will include a link in the description where they can call, text, or chat with a member of my team anytime, day or night. Here at Just Criminal Law, we know you only get one shot at justice, so make yours count.